Hello friends, welcome to this new video. In this video, we will learn how to log in into EPFO portal using the UN number and password, and then we will see the services provided by the EPFO. So let's start without any delay. So we will need to go to the member portal. I have just clicked on the member portal link and the member home page is displayed. I will just enter my EPFO details, my UM, then my password, then the captcha. I have just clicked on the sign in. Due to multi-factor authentication, it will be asking for the password. The password is sent to the registered mobile number that we have given already when I have activated my UM. Click on submit. So we have landed here on the home page. Here we can see that on the top right the UAN number is displayed, and here the member profile. Here the UAN name, date of birth and gender is displayed. So what are the services offered by this portal? We can see our EPF amount. We need to go to the view and just click on the passbook. When we will click on the passbook, then again we need to enter the UAN and password, then captcha and click on sign in. Then we can see our passbook of UAN, where we will be able to see the contribution made by us as well as the employer. In case where we will need already a existing employee and we go to a new employer for our job, that is job switch. In that case, what we have to do, we will need to transfer our PF from old account to new account, because every company has different PF, but your UN will be same. That will be a unique key. So for that, what you have to do, you have to just click on one member, one EPF account, and if your details are already pre-populated, there are no errors, then you can choose attestation through present employer or previous employer. Depending on that, you can choose your option, or you can just fill your UAN and click on details. Details will be populated. What then you will, after getting details populated, you will need to click this checkbox and enter the OTP that will be sent on your Aadhaar linked mobile number. After that, your EPF transfer request will be created, and when your status for EPF transfer has been created, then you will need a form 13 that will be given to your employer. Employer will attest that form and send it to the EPFO office. There are two ways. One is offline and one is online. If your employer is already registered, so it will be get automatically, form 13 will be sent to him or her. And in case your employer is not registered with EPFO, then you will need to submit your hard copy of form 13. So this will be the process. And then we go to home, click on view. We can download our UN card from here, and we can check our service history as well. That's all friend for this video. We can also track claim status, like when we create the request for PF transfer, then the status is in, what is the status, and after your employer approves, what is the status, the last state will be sent to the office of EPFO. So these are all services provided by this portal. Thank you friends for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and comment. If you have any query or doubts, you can always comment your query and I will be happy to resolve that issue. Thank you friends.